Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play dot balls. To begin, understand that a dot ball is a delivery from which no runs are scored. While it might seem counterintuitive, playing dot balls effectively is a crucial skill in cricket. It allows you to build an innings, protect your wicket, and wait for scoring opportunities. This approach helps you settle in and understand the bowler's strategy, setting a strong foundation for your innings. Mastering defensive play is paramount for handling dot balls. Your primary goal is to protect your wicket by presenting a full bat face. Watch the ball intently from the moment it leaves the bowler's hand, tracking its trajectory. Play with soft hands, absorbing the pace and allowing the ball to drop safely. This technique minimizes the risk of edges and ensures the ball does not carry to fielders, keeping your wicket intact. Strategic dot ball play involves understanding the game's context. Sometimes, the best option is to simply defend and protect your wicket, especially against a bowler in good rhythm or on a tricky pitch. Assess the field placement. If there are gaps, a gentle push for a single can be a smart move. However, if runs are not easily available, a well-played dot ball is far better than a risky shot that could lead to your dismissal. Patience is key. A strong mental approach is vital for playing dot balls effectively. Stay calm and focused, trusting your well-practiced defensive technique. Avoid the temptation to hit every ball, especially when the conditions or bowler are challenging. Consistent practice, focusing on your defensive shots and understanding your off-stump line, will build confidence. Develop a clear game plan for each delivery, ensuring you are prepared to defend solidly or score when the opportunity arises.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.